I don't know about you, but for me, 2020 has been a beast, which is why my challah this year for Rosh Hashanah is going to be extra sweet for some extra sweetness in the new year. And I'm going to bake it in my ByDash Chef Series air fryer oven, which means the rest of my appliances are open for the rest of the meal. Now let's get baking. Add 1 teaspoon sugar and your yeast to lukewarm water. Now take your egg and yolk, whip them up, add salt, sugar, and oil. Now give that a stir. Next, add your bloomed yeast and mix it all up. Now add your flour 1 cup at a time until it's all combined. Now you knew this was coming, you're gonna get your hands dirty, so get in there. Then turn it out on a surface and knead for 10 minutes. Lightly oil your bowl, put the dough in and flip it over so both sides are coated. Then cover in plastic wrap and let rise for 1 hour. Turn it over and punch out your fillings till it's shiny and soft. Good dough. Now cut it in half, which is so satisfying. Then cut those halves in half. And look, 4! Now take each piece of dough and roll it into a rope, starting in the middle and working your way to the outside. Next, lay the 4 ropes in a crisscross pattern. Make sure they're nice and tight. Now watch this part because it's really hard to explain. Take the ends and twist them together and tuck them under the loaf. Pinch its little cheek. Cover it in plastic wrap and let it rise for another hour. Now take your egg white and brush it all over the loaf. Get that cinnamon sugar and get in there. Don't be shy. Yeah, a little more. Put it on a baking tray and get back in there with the cinnamon sugar again. Now put it in your air fryer oven at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes. Ooh, there it is, toasty cinnamon sugar goodness. Let it sit for 1 hour before slicing it, and Tovah!